Hey guys, so if you thought that there were no more affordable houses in Warner Robins, well, guess again. We're here at 204 Lake Drive in Warner Robins, and this house is coming up for sale, and it's less than $200,000. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, 1,600 square foot house, brick ranch as you can see, with a horseshoe driveway, and this thing's got plenty of potential. As a matter of fact, this is in Miller Elementary, Warner Robins Middle School, and Warner Robins High School. And as you can tell, except for the once in a while car that drives by, that's about all you hear around here. And it's centrally located in the middle of town. So let's go in and take a look and see if this is something that you want to make an offer on. Now, one nice feature about this house is it's got a horseshoe driveway that goes around to the backside, so it's real easy to get in and out. The Home-brew beer tap you see here is also for sale, sold separately. The horseshoe driveway and concrete patio makes real easy access for elderly and handicap. This 2-car cinder block garage has everything you need for all your projects, including automatic garage door, ceiling fans, lighting, and 110 and 220 outlets. All right, guys, well, that was 204 Lake Drive in Warner Robins. Now, this house is centrally located in the middle of town, right off of Leverett and Corder Road. So it's an easy access to a lot of the shopping and the schools in this area. So if you want to make an offer on this house, make sure to give me a call. My number's in the description below, and we'll talk to you on the next video.